to Culminate Your Life. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Felicia, and we are excited to be here, and we are excited to have you as part of the Culminate Your Life family. If this is your first time visiting our channel, then go ahead. If you like what you see, go ahead and thumbs up this video and come on and subscribe and become a part of our family. Today I am sharing with you guys a fashion haul, a small fashion haul, just a few items that I have picked up recently that I wanted to share with you from Burlington and Ross. So these items are summer items, and just a few things that I needed to just pick up to just kind of update my wardrobe just a little bit and get ready for vacation very soon. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I love this white peasant, the short sleeve peasant top. I love how it has the ruching and elastic at the top, and this beautiful embroidery on the front. I'm not sure how that's showing up on camera, but it has this beautiful embroidery on it, and I just absolutely love it. It reminds me of those kind of like percale type of cotton type shirts. This is I know it's cotton, but I'm not sure like what type of blend it is, but it has a lot of stretch in it. I don't think it's 100% cotton. It definitely has something else in it, but it does have some stretch to it. It has some stretch to it. This particular item was from Ross, and this was only $10.99 for this one. This next item is from Ross, and I just absolutely love the colors in this shirt. It has the fuchsia and coral, which I love. I love mixing pinks and corals together. When my husband and I, when we did our wedding, renewed our wedding vows a few years back, we used this color palette of pinks and corals. It also has a little plum in it, and as well as some like neutral type colors like taupe, and it is a peasant style as well. Has the elastic on the sleeves with the little tie right here, little keyhole tie right there. And in the back, I love this pattern, this print on it. It kind of reminds me somewhat of an Indian type print. So I love this. I really love this, and I'm excited to wear this. I would love to. This would be nice to pair up with if you have like some orange pedal pushers or fuchsia color pedal pushers. I'm saying pedal pushers, or you guys might call them like crop pants, I think is what they might call them now. Or we used to call them gauchos. Gauchos kind of has like a wider leg to them though. But this would be absolutely adorable for just kicking around with jeans or anything. Jeans, skirts, shorts. Now, I have my days of wearing shorts are long gone now. I don't wear shorts anymore. I stopped wearing shorts several years back, but I definitely love to wear like crop pants or like I said, pedal pushers. That's what I grew up with calling them. So, oh, let me see how much this was. This was $10.99. Here's another blouse. This is from Ross. It's $9.99, and I really, really love this. It is gray. Love the colors in this. Very different. I love the blend of the coral, of course. And this is a charcoal gray. A charcoal gray. And this was $9.99. It has the zipper right down the front, gold zipper here. Also has two little pockets and a pleat down the back. Very nice. I'm not sure what this material is, but you definitely could dress this up or dress this down for sure, depending on what you pair it with. Look at that. I just love these colors. These are some of my colors from my family room. Alright, and I like how they paired the stripe and brought the stripes in, which is becoming more popular. So, and then now let's move on to Burlington. This is one of those like mini dresses. Well, I call them mini dresses because it's, if you like to wear your dresses short, then you know, go right ahead. But for me, I would never wear this as a dress. But this is beautiful. A very similar motif as the gray, but this is the black and white. Black and white. Hope you can see that. And also it has reds and burgundy. It's like a wine-like color. These flowers, these beautiful flowers, colors of wine, some mauve, even some brown, a little bit of mint. I love the variation of colors that they use for this. This is very, very different. And I love the military style buttons that they placed here on the shoulders. And this has a cuff sleeve, a short cuff sleeve. $10.99 for this shirt. Very pretty. I plan on wearing this with some leggings, most likely. You could also, if you had a longer skirt, you could wear, this would work with going over top of a skirt underneath. If you wanted to do a long skirt underneath, you could. But again, I would wear it, I'm wearing it as a blouse with, you know, leggings or even jeans, skinny jeans, something like that would be perfect. Right? And let's see, this next piece is so cute. Stripes are really big this year in fashion, and generally not really, you know, too big on stripes, but I love the way that they have, especially like in these other two items, have integrated the flowers and the stripes together, so it's not just all stripes. But this is cute. It just was so, this yellow or mustard color is just, it just screams, you know, summer, and it screams happy, and you know, and everything. And I just thought about the sun. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, this is so cute. It's short sleeve. It is a cotton blend. It does have that stretch, some stretch into it, and the stripes. It also has this really pretty necklace that is attached to it that you can unclip. And so if you don't want to wear this, you can wear your own. I love how the tassel on it. And this is gold tone, short sleeve. Again, you could wear this. This is still a shorter dress, but not nearly as short as the other top that we just saw, but this could definitely be worn alone, or it could be worn with leggings underneath. And you know, I would definitely wear this alone, although it's, you know, shorter, so a little bit on the shorter side, but it definitely is right at that knee. And depending on your, I'm 5'2", so depending on your height, this would work for me. And I plan on wearing it as just a sundress with some cute sandals or espadrilles or something. Perfect for vacation, you know. This screams vacation to me. So, and this was only $10.99 as well. And that was from Ross. And this is from Burlington. This last piece is from Burlington. This cute sundress, oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. I fell in love with this. I saw this and I was like, oh, you have to come home with me. Oh, you have to come home. Didn't even take a second thought. This is so adorable, so cute. You have this peasant, you know, peasant top here, you know, with the ruching, and then the bell sleeves. Look at that bell sleeve. I absolutely love bell sleeves. It has flowers. It has tulips. And look at that. And then it has the ruffles at the bottom. This is black. It has lemons along with the greenery. Some of them are whole, like still on the stem, and then they have them cut, sliced lemons on it. This is just so cute, comfortable. I mean, you could actually wear this like as a cover-up over your bathing suit. You know, you could definitely wear it that way. You could wear it as a house dress. You know, if you wanted to, just to kick around in the house. You could dress this up with the, you know, with some nice jewelry, some nice beads. Would be beautiful with this. And a lovely pair of, you know, espadrilles would be nice with this. Just, I mean, just so cute. I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with this one. And I will get lots and lots of wear out of this. Just screams summer, fun, chic. You know, you put your sun hat on, your straw hat on, you know, you are good to go. Can't go wrong with this. Of course, this is cotton. And I would, for this type of dress like this, this was $12.99 from Burlington. I would not wash it. If I washed it myself, I would wash it and then let it drip dry. I would not put it in the dryer. For fear that it might shrink. But to keep it nice and cute looking and pristine, I would send this to the cleaners and just let them, you know, do it. Anything like this, I send to the cleaners, you know, and all. And probably wouldn't cost very much to do it. So anyway, this concludes this haul. I know it was short and sweet. Didn't have a lot of pieces, but I did want to share these items with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Subscribe to the channel and make sure that you follow us on all of our social media platforms. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. Be blessed, stay favored, and I'll see you next time.